Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Battlefield 6 error code 0x887e0003. The error reads DirectX function D3D12. Create device failed with HR0x887e0003. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch Battlefield 6. According to our research, this error is related to DirectX and typically comes due to system or driver-related conflicts, security settings, or missing files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PC. Many users have shared that simply restarting the PC fixed the issue for them. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to your Windows security settings and disable the ASLR parameter under exploit protection. Once disabled, check if this resolves the error. If the error continues, then open the game's launch options and add -D3D11 in the launch parameters. Also, if you have DPI scaling disabled, try enabling it back. Then check for the error again. If the error persists, verify the integrity of the game files. You can do this from your game launcher. Let it complete, and then check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then delete your current video drivers and reinstall them. This helps if the issue is caused by a conflict with your current graphics drivers. Once reinstalled, check if this helps with the error. If the error doesn't resolve, then go to your game's installation directory and set both executable files to run as administrator. After this, check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest waiting and trying again later. Some users have reported that the game eventually launched without them doing anything, so wait for some time and check for the error again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.